Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another video. So to jump start my day, I wake up around 7:30 to do a little bit of things before Ariana wakes up. And so the first thing I'm going to do is some laundry because it's been a while. And it's just something that I hate to do. Like I'll do the laundry, but as far as like the folding and stuff, I simply hate it. So I'm just going to put a load or two in the washer and wash some of her blankets, and then I am going to move on to preparing breakfast before she wakes up. So, breakfast nowadays typically consists of oatmeal. Today, I'm going to be using the banana and strawberry oatmeal by Gerber, and then I'm also going to add a banana in her oatmeal as well. So, I'm just going to mash that up really, really good, and then I'm going to add a little bit of her formula until I get the consistency that I want. And to prepare her formula as well as something to drink, I am using the Baby Breezer, which I do have a full review on. Make sure you click the link below. It is a lifesaver when it comes to making bottles, and I am doing half water and half juice just to kind of water it down. So I have put her in her high chair and we are ready to eat breakfast, and she is watching her favorite show, which is Sesame Street, and she loves the character Elmo. I also have a review on this beautiful high chair as well. In case you are in the market looking for a high chair that is more modern, a little bit more glam, just basically not an eyesore, and that was my main goal. I wanted something that looked good with my home decor, and I found it. So I'm going to move on to cleaning up the kitchen, loading and unloading the dishwasher, and washing some bottles, of course. That is a part of the routine as well. I am using another Baby Breezer product, which I love to steam and sterilize my baby bottles, nipples, pacifiers, anything that can be steamed pretty much goes in this bad boy. I love that it has like 3 different settings, so I can use the 30-minute setting to get the job done quicker. Okay, so I always take advantage of my opportunities. So she is in chill mode right now, so I'm going to go in with the coconut hibiscus moisturizer and the Cantu conditioner detangler and just do her hair as much as she will allow me to do it. So I am going to add a distraction, which is food. I'm going to be giving her cookies to try to get her to let me moisturize her hair and just do something to it. Her hair is extremely curly and can get really, really dry and tangled if I do not detangle and add moisture to her hair every day. So that's what I am doing in this video. And another reason why I love this high chair is because it's so versatile. I do her hair in this in this high chair all the time, and it really does work very well for my needs. So that process went very well. Next, it is time to sanitize her toys. I like to do this at least once a week. And basically what I do is add hot boiling water and a little bit of Clorox to all of her toys. And I just stir all of her toys just to make sure everything is being sanitized. And then once everything has been sanitized and sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, I do put it in her little bucket and I rinse it off with water. Just to make sure there is no Clorox or residue left behind. I do this at least 2 times just to be sure, because she's at this stage right now where she puts everything in her mouth. So once I have all the toys rinsed off, I just let them pretty much air dry on a towel. And Ari is trying to figure out how to open the cabinets. She has gotten a lot more smarter with her methods, and I know very soon she's going to figure out how to open them completely. So, you ready? can't get that excited. You want some juju? You want some juju? I can smell it. You want some juju? Okay, so now is the perfect time to start on dinner. She is in the playpen entertaining herself. So today on the menu will be baked chicken with carrots, fried corn, and dressing. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my dressing. Now, because of the coronavirus, we have been cooking a lot more at home these days. I am thinking about adding a cooking series to my channel. I've always enjoyed watching people here on YouTube cook, but sometimes I'm honestly not in the mood to cook, and really coronavirus have made all of us cook a lot more at home. So I think it would be something interesting to do on my channel. Let me know below in the comments if you guys would like to see something like that. So to prepare my chicken, I am using this power pressure cooker that my mother-in-law got for me a couple of Christmas ago, and I really love this. It takes cooking to a whole nother level with way less time. It's almost like a crock pot, but so much better. There's so many different things that you can cook with this pressure cooker. If you don't have one, get you one. You will love it. Like, my husband has even cooked crab legs, lobster tails in this pressure cooker, and this chicken that I'm about to show you guys is so moist and so good, and it only took me half the time as what it would normally take to cook a whole chicken like this. Y'all, get you a pressure cooker. It is a lifesaver when it comes to preparing a very quick meal. I swear I make the best dressing. So I am done preparing dinner, and this little girl is still having a ball in her playpen. I got this playpen from Amazon. I actually got it when Aria was like 4 or 5 months old, and I really didn't know if we would ever use this because it's so big, but I'm so happy that I put this on the Christmas list for my parents to get her for Christmas, because it is perfect. It holds all of her toys, and as you guys can see, she is having a ball. The space is perfect. It does take up a good amount of space downstairs. She is just hilarious. But I mean, it works, and it's very sturdy. Now, because I do have hardwood floors, I have a lot of cushions up under this playpen. just to make it a little bit more comfortable for when she flops down the way that she does. And I try my best to keep her playpen organized, but I mean, for those of you who have kids, you know it's just not going to stay this way. She pretty much plays with everything. So yeah, this is a day in the life of a busy, now stay-at-home mom, just trying to make it during the pandemic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed welcoming you guys into our world for the day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.